Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Abhishek. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. So for today's video, I've planned out a really special haul for you guys. Now in the past, I've covered the very famous e-commerce website called as Shein, which is doing extremely well. And I did a detailed video on it on how to order, what the products are all about, and I even compared it to the Wrong Way website. But for this week, I wanted to pick out very unique and luxurious looking items from the website, especially because it's a very budget friendly website, and I kind of wanted to see how these statement pieces, which look really attractive on the website, will be in real life. And all of these products can really transform any outfit. You can really dress them up, and literally the best part is that all of these pieces are in a really good budget. So let's not waste any further time. Let me show you the most luxurious items I picked up from Shein, which I think are totally worth it. Alright, so the first thing has to be what I'm wearing right now. Now this, I feel, is such a good pick. It's a beautiful long sleeved mesh top, and I got it in a size small and it fits me beautifully. And guys, I got this just for rupees 500. In 500 you rarely get a good casual wear top. It looks super classy, super elegant, and most importantly, you can use this in so many different ways. And I am like super excited with this purchase, and I can't wait to style it in so many different ways. Coming to the second item, again, it is something I am so excited for. Now I have been looking for a quad set since a really long time, especially one that's like worth it in the first place and is very multifunctional. Like, you can style all the pieces separately as well. So I finally found a nice one, and it's this brownish nude kind of a color. This is the full sleeve top, but along with it are these flared pants. And guys, I'm not even kidding, I've now worn this so many times. It is so comfortable and yet one of the most stylish outfits, and these costed me rupees 1200, which I feel is a really good deal. Piece of clothing, I picked up this faux fur kind of grey shrug. Now this one is dropped sleeve and it has an open front like this, and this can literally transform any outfit, especially because of the placement of the fur. You can again dress this up, dress this down, and it just looks so good. I think I'm gonna continue the rest of the video like this. Okay, the next thing is jewelry. It's a beautiful pair of earrings. This is how it came. It costed me rupees 142, and you can again see that this is such a elegant looking piece, and you know, you can maybe style this with a really statement LBD or even with Indian wear for like a function. It gives such an elegant, luxurious feel, and I think it was a really great pick. The quality is super nice, the stones look really lovely, and yeah, I'm so happy with this. Talking about luxurious textures and fabrics, the next thing is this fanny pack or bum bag. Now this is all over velvet and it has pearls attached to it, and I literally found this for rupees 348, which is like such a great deal considering the amount of value this can add to any outfit. It has one pocket, and the materials overall could have been a bit thicker and a little bit more sturdy, but I'm not complaining for 348 bucks. And this brings me to the last product, which is this pair of sneakers. Now they are clearly so worn out. I have almost been wearing them every day. The entire chunky sole sneakers is so much in trend, but wherever I looked, the prices were like starting from 3,000, 2,500. So when I saw this, I was pretty amazed. It costed about $13.77. But most importantly, I really wanted to test out the footwear for its comfort and its quality. And I have been doing that, and I'm very pleased to say that I'm very happy with how comfortable they are. It's very easy for like quality of footwear to fade away at this price point, but I am pretty amazed. As I said, I've been wearing them every day and I seem to love them. And guys, this brings me to the end. These were the 6 items I picked up, and I really wanted to showcase some good quality, luxurious looking items from a budget friendly website, and I hope it helped some of you guys. You have to let me know your thoughts, which product you liked, which you didn't like maybe, and any other suggestions, comments, feedback you guys have, do let me know in the comments box. And anything else you want to talk about, do drop it down in the comments. And yeah, I guess that's about it. I shall see you guys on Wednesday with a very special video.